Hi guys! Welcome to my world. This is our reality.
Anong war? Ba't ka pumunta ng war? Welcome to my world.
Nandito kami sa metro station.
Duty na naman ng Bendo. Ito na kami mag-New Year.
Katagalang hila-hila. Here together. It's good, madam. Sabi ko like this. Ginanap ko lang.
Ano?
Sabi ko, parang mag-power force ba? Sabi ko ganun. Tawang-tawa si madam. Sabi niya, okay, tomorrow you're too. Sabi niya ganun. Hi guys! Welcome. This is my first time, the third time. Oh guys! This is the train here. Tingnan mo yung train here. Super maganda. See? Ganda ng train. So siya tayo. Dapat... Our shop is in Tower 4, but we are...
Tower 4!
Ay! Anthony!
Near sa Gate 4.
Gate 4. No, Sarah na po. Daan na naman tayo.
Makapag-shopping ka na naman.
Hi, welcome. Naunsa ba na akong buhok ni Rada?
We're here at Bendo Mall. So, papakita namin sa inyo paano namin celebrate ang New Year.
Yes, later on.
Here. Medyo muti pa 3 araw na sa Bendo.
Yeah.
Kasi wala silang maganda doon.
Working at a New Year Eve.
Yes. Wala silang maganda doon. Kailangan nila na
Nothing
maganda.
changed. Still like this.
Yeah, now we are here, our workplace.
Happy New Year, guys! We are here in Bindong.
Fountain!
Fountain is there, over there. It's so nice. So very nice.
Yeah, ito yung workplace namin. Ayun sila, oh. Mga busy there.
We're now inside.
Oh, Dior! Candy! Napaka-social na mall. Dancing fountain.
Show you the fountain. It's really nice here in Bindong. Hey guys! This is our menu. Yes, and our restaurant over there. Then this is the fountain. Very nice view. Yeah, this is the view of our restaurant, and you can see here. There's a big fountain. Very huge.
Fountain.
Huge.
Ah, ayoko!
Ganda na! Sige, ikaw ba? Yes, okay. So nice! Woo! Finish! Wow!
Yes.
Okay. Done. Tapos na, guys!
Ang laki pala ng Dior. Busy-busy ang ka talaga, no? Feeling mo masipag ka, hindi ka awardan. Hindi ka awardan dyan. Hindi ka awardan dyan. Huwag kang ano, hindi ka mararegular dito. Last day mo na. Hey, we're eating lunch na. It's 3 o'clock.
Ang gwapo lang ito ko
Ulam namin, chicken feet. Kasi wala silang pakain. Walang New Year dito.
Itlog, puro puti. Itlog, pakain na, puro puti. Ano lang sa. Ay, may karusundan, guys.
Sarap ng kain.
Tiin. Nahurot ko ng kanin. Ay, ubos ko yung kanin dahil. Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Oh, meron pa ubos.
Ayoko na dahil. Last na to ah.
Eh, tita na lang ito. Ganarungan sila.
Hindi na pala ako kakain mamaya.
Kaya nga, sabi ko sa
Ba't ako kakain? Kakain mamaya yung pansit.
Kaya nga. Kumain ka na para hindi ko.
Hi, Tan! Say hi to our vlog. Yan. Walang customer.
Gumagana yung loba.
Hi! Eunice? Eunice. Say
Yanis.
hi, Yanis.
Hi.
Hey guys! Happy New Year sa Pinas.
Happy New Year!
Dito, oras na? 8:25. Ilang oras pa bago mag-New Year? Sa Qatar. Pauwi na kami.
Yeah, we're going
Papunta
home.
sa second duty.
We're going home.
Second duty!
Pupunta ka sa second duty.
Yan, sa ibang branch naman. So, doon naman kami mag-New Year. Duty muna bago mag-New Year. Happy New Year, te! Happy New Year! Te, walang iyakan. Trabaho lang. Kailangan natin magtrabaho eh. Sakay na ng bus. Pupunta ng Happy New Year Torte. Namiss na kami ng torte. See you in a bit! Konti na lang. Namiss tayo ng torte 3 days.
Madam yan, no? Yung may, ano, may madam yan.
Nasa si Madam? Madam, say hi! Namiss mo si torte?
Naiihi ako. May tao sila, oh.
We are here! Welcome back to us! Welcome back to us! Happy New Year!
Hindi na kami galit, balik na kayo. Hindi na kami galit. Balik
Okay.
na. Open the door.
Open the door!
Steady, steady. Tama na yung mga kalokohan din.
Hi, bro! Yes!
Maraming tao
You
doon.
can go home na, te. We're here!
Maraming tao doon.
Hi, Tan!
Naiihi na ako kanina.
Yeah, we are here, Dr. Delisha, preparing our table later. We will eat pancit.
No, just
Hi, bro! Happy New Year, bro!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Tantan! You, oh, dear. Here na. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Come on! I got out! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
This is how we celebrate New Year. Kumakain na yung iba, kami nagtatrabaho pa. So guys, enjoy kayo dyan guys. Susunod kami, wait lang. Still busy.
1,526.
Okay, submit. 5. Wrong. Clear. 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 9, 1. Okay, check now.
Picture.
Penyoya. Yeah. Ito yung handa namin pagka namin sila. May kayo na Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! On the road! Yeah, we're celebrating New Year on the road!
Nasaan yung sakyan?
On the road nga! Yan! Yeah, we finished our celebration of New Year. We're going home. Naglalakad kami. Naglalakad kami. Yeah! We're home! We're home! Isang taong mamama niya kami. Yeah, good night guys! Happy New Year! We're here at home. Finally, we're home! Happy New Year, guys! Everybody!
Bye!